The double bottom is one of the most reliable bullish reversal patterns you can find on a price chart. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a complete step-by-step price action strategy to identify, confirm, and execute this trade. You only need two tools to do this: a basic candlestick chart and the average true range, or ATR, indicator. Mastering this specific sequence prevents the single biggest reason traders lose money on this pattern: jumping into a trade prematurely out of the fear of missing out. Many traders try to spot double bottoms in the middle of an active downtrend. This is no man's land, and buying here usually leads to a loss. Step 1 begins by zooming out to a higher time frame. We will use the 4-hour chart to establish a solid structural foundation. Look left on your 4-hour chart to locate historical support zones. You are looking for areas where sellers drove the price down and were clearly rejected by buyers. By establishing this higher time frame structure, we ensure we only hunt for trades at levels where institutional buying pressure has a proven history. Step 2 requires dropping down to a lower time frame, like the 1-hour chart, to look for our entry setup. First, wait for the price to drop directly into that green 4-hour support box we just drew. This creates our first bottom. Next, you want to see a slight recovery rally upward, followed by a second drop right back down into that exact same support box. This chart shows the classic W structure circled in red. The pattern doesn't need to be perfectly symmetrical. The second bottom's wick can pierce slightly lower, as long as the candle's body closes above the first bottom's low. This W shape provides visual proof that sellers attempted to break the support floor twice and failed, indicating severe exhaustion and bearish momentum. Now we identify the peak of the recovery phase, the middle point of the W. This is the most critical resistance level in the pattern. Draw a hard horizontal line across this middle peak. This is your neckline. You must wait for a strong green candle to explicitly close above this neckline before considering the pattern complete. If the price fails to break the neckline, there is no double bottom and there is no trade. Waiting for the neckline breakout is your ultimate filter. It transforms a speculative guess into a mathematically confirmed shift in market control. Step 4 is execution. The safest entry technique is the retest. Wait for the price to pull back and touch the neckline from above. When the old resistance holds as new support and bounces, execute your buy order. Look at your ATR indicator to measure current volatility. Place your stop loss exactly 1 ATR below the lowest point of the entire W. This prevents standard market noise from closing your trade early. To calculate your take profit target, measure the vertical height of the W and project that same distance upward from the neckline. Combining a confirmed structural entry with volatility-adjusted risk metrics separates professional trading from amateur gambling. That is the 4-step sequence: higher time frame support, the W pattern, the neckline breakout, and risk management. Following these rules positions you safely on the right side of the reversal, keeping you in the market as the price hits the take profit target. Open your charting platform, select a historical asset, and backtest this exact 4-step process yourself. Strict discipline to this checklist removes emotion from the market, replacing blind hope with a statistically viable edge.